he's got a coolant leak. Drive through here as fast as you can, burning coolant. hate it when there's this much traffic out here. US129 photos. I guess it was just the one policeman out this morning. Let us hope. I saw one of the Monroe County deputies heading to work on the Skyway this morning. The friendly one. I guess they're both friendly. I think one of them's name is Keith. They're both very polite while they're writing you a ticket. There is nobody behind me, nobody in front of me, and y'all are sitting at home watching somebody else's motorcycle video. Why aren't you here? Why aren't you here? Here I am in North Carolina, missing you. I'm waiting to see you. I'm a block and a half from the Deals Gap store. Maybe you're sitting on the bench right now. Maybe I'll run into you there. I doubt it. It's time. Y'all need to come visit the mountains. Remember, Murphy, North Carolina has some beautiful hotels. They just built a ginormous new tower at the Harris Cherokee Valley River Casino in Murphy, North Carolina. There's a beautiful motel in front of the casino that's not Native American owned. So think about visiting Murphy, North Carolina. When you're in the area next time, look me up. Here we are, we're at the Deals Gap store. Woohoo! Oh shit, my girlfriend's already here. Dang. We're gonna park right here in between those ladies. But this is what it looks like on a Sunday morning. Got some racers from Pennsylvania. They fast. All right, I'm out of here. Hit that like button.